So like I said I was gonna come back. Now, this is how it first looks when you first get it out. So my advice would be to first take this screw off before you start taking the other 4 screws inside. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and there's 4. So this bolt should go first, so it'll be easier for you to wiggle this out. And you can take this screw off, the 4 screws off, then take this out, whichever. But don't forget the prongs on the corners. Let's see, yeah, right there. That's what I'm talking about. It's protruding, and it's right there. I know it's bad lighting. Forgive me. And the other one is right there. You can see that one clearly. So you got to take off the screws in those 2 for it to be able to have any wiggle room. And like I said, if anybody got an idea for me how to replace this, yeah. And my son is over there climbing some shit. Yeah.